Look at your struggles as a way of humbling you and drawing you back to God. It says in the Bible that trials produce hope, character and perseverance. Ultimately, your trials are the things that prove your faith is genuine. One of the things that prove your faith is genuine. So I just encourage you to think about that. I know it's easier said than done, but if you're struggling with anything, which every human being on the planet is, I just encourage you to think about your struggles as something that draws you back to Him, and reach out to Him as soon as you're in a suicidal spot. Reach out to Him as soon as you're in a depressed spot, as soon as you're struggling with pain or whatever it is, or anxiety or fear. Just let it draw you back to Him.